Precision farming data-driven agriculture. Precision farming has transformed traditional agriculture by integrating advanced technology to optimize crop production and reduce environmental impact. This modern approach utilizes tools like GPS, drones, and sensors to gather real-time data on soil conditions, weather, and crop health. By analyzing this data, farmers can make precise decisions on planting, irrigation, and fertilization, ensuring that each area of the field receives the appropriate treatment. This results in higher yields, better resource management, and a reduced ecological footprint. A key advantage of precision farming is its ability to minimize water and chemical waste. Through the use of moisture sensors and automated irrigation systems, plants receive the exact amount of water they need, preventing both over- and underwatering. This method conserves water and reduces runoff from excessive irrigation. Additionally, variable rate technology, or VRT, enables precise application of fertilizers and pesticides, applying only the required amount based on crop needs. This minimizes environmental pollution and lowers costs for farmers. Drones and satellite imaging play a crucial role in precision farming, allowing farmers to monitor large areas of land efficiently. These tools capture high-resolution images that help detect issues like pest infestations, nutrient deficiencies, and water stress. With this detailed insight, farmers can address problems early, making interventions more timely and effective. The use of drones reduces the need for manual inspections, saving time and labor while improving overall farm management. As global food demand rises and climate change challenges agriculture, precision farming offers a vital solution. By leveraging data and technology, farmers can produce more food with fewer resources, supporting food security and environmental sustainability. As these technologies become more accessible, precision farming is poised to become a foundational practice in modern agriculture, meeting the demands of a growing population while preserving the planet's ecological balance.